Hey guys, I'm just fresh out the shower. My hair looks like trash. So I'm thinking about a style to do because I don't really have time, but my hair looks really dry. So as you can see, I'm trying to take down my ponytail right now. My hair has some shine to it, but for the most part, it's really dry. This is kind of like an old wash and go. So I'm thinking, just running my hands through my hair, thinking about something to do because I just took some braids out, so I don't want to do anything too much. As you can see, the ends of my hair are really dry, so I'm still thinking about what to do. You know what? I think I'm just gonna do a low bun. So I'm gonna do a side bun. So I'm parting my hair with the tail comb, as you see me doing there. I'm parting my hair. I'm gonna do it to the side. Sometimes I do my little buns in the middle part too, but I think I'm feeling more of a side part today. So I'm parting it. My hair looks super duper dry, but it's not gonna stay that way. So I have it parted and my hair's just up in the air. So I'm just gonna take my spray bottle, and this is the key to my sleek look without using gel. I use a lot of water. So I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm spraying it all around. You can do the end. If it gets like on your ends, don't worry. You'll still have volume. It'll just be really defined. So I'm going to start with my Curl Repair Leave-In by Creme in Nature. So what I like about this is that even though I'm shooting for a sleek style, my hair is going to be really moisturized in the end. So I'm taking the leave-in and I'm just running it through my hair. So I'm making sure to moisturize my hair and keeping it on the same side though, just so it doesn't get messy. So I'm still moisturizing it, going all the way through. I'm pretty heavy-handed because my hair was really dry. So I'm running it all the way through. So now I'm going to go in with my Hydrating Curling Cream. So what I like about these products is they're really versatile because as you can see, I'm not using them for any type of like wash and go or anything. So I'm adding that to my ends just to hydrate my ends a little bit. So I'm going through and just hydrating it. I'm not being too heavy-handed with the products though because I do want some volume in my bun. So I'm lastly going to go in with my mousse and I'm putting it in my hands like that. And then I'm going to put it through my hair. And I'm starting with the ends more, or the top rather. And then just raking it through. As you can see, my hair's starting to get kind of defined at the top in a weird way. So I'm going in with the mousse again. So now I'm going to take my bristled brush, which is another key. And now I'm just going to keep brushing until it gets really smooth. I know it looks like I'm being really rough, but I'm not. I'm just going all the way through. In a weird way, my hair kind of got detangled while putting the product in, so I didn't really have to use a Denman brush to kind of straighten it out. Sometimes I do, so just have that on deck just in case. So I'm brushing it and brushing it. It's starting to get really smooth. As you can see, I got super excited. So I'm just going to keep brushing it. And then I'm brushing it in the direction of where I'm going to have the bun. That way it just has that sleek, smooth look. So I'm starting to form the ponytail. Sorry for the unfocus here in the camera. But it's starting to get really sleek. And I'm starting to form a little ponytail in the back. And I'm just going to keep going over it. So now I'm about to put my hair in a ponytail. And then I add a little bit more mousse just to smooth it out. This time I just apply it directly to my hair up top rather than my hands. So now I'm just gonna put it in the ponytail. I could make a bun from here, but I don't like to do that because I feel like if I use another ponytail, it comes out a little bit bigger. So I put it in a ponytail, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another ponytail and I'm going to fold my hair over in a sec. Well, right now I'm brushing it a little bit, just smoothing it out. So I'm making sure it's smooth. And then I'm going to take my hair and then I'm going to like fold it over. And then I'm going to take the hair tie and like tie it over it in the middle, if you can see. So that's kind of gave it a more like bigger bun kind of effect. And then sometimes I like to take bobby pins and just straighten out the bun. And then I left this little curl just for some texture in the back. So my hair's pretty smooth. I like it. So now I'm gonna go in and do my edges. I like to smooth my hair when I'm already making my bun. So when it comes to doing my edges, it's not really a lot of work. Just have to straighten them up a little bit. I use my handy dandy toothbrush. Very ghetto, I know, but I like how it makes my edges look. So I am going to be doing the little swooping method, but not too much. I just like a little bit of swoop, you see, just a little bit. And I'm just swooping it over. Now I'm going to do the other side. And that little piece of hair was falling out, so I'm going to go back, get a bobby pin and pin it back up. So this is what my hair looks like, really sleek. It's so surprising that I didn't use any gel. That's what it looks like up top. I really like the results. So what I'm gonna do now that it's really sleek, I really like my hair super shiny, so I'm gonna take the Essential 7 treatment oil and I'm just gonna put it in my hands. And what I'm gonna do is just rub a little bit on top of my hair just for some extra shine. My hair is already super shiny, but I just like that extra, layer. And because it's like cold outside too, so I like that. So I'm just gonna add some extra oil, straighten my little bun again. And then I'm gonna put my scarf on while I do my makeup. Look at this little Creme nature scarf, isn't it so cute? So I'm just tying it up. And I'm just gonna put it on and keep it on and just lay my hair down even more while I just do my makeup and stuff. So now I took off the scarf. My hair is super duper sleek. It's really surprising that I did not use any gel. So you guys should try this method. Let me know how it